Hi, my name is Tatiana. I do intuitive healing. And a while ago, during our monthly group session, one of my clients asked me to do clearing for fear when it comes to war. And there is lots of generational trauma in that topic. So instead of taking over our group session, because I knew it's going to be big, I thought, how about if I record the session for the collective, for the people who also feel they need to clear it. The reason to clear it is not to be scared of war, but clear the field where, in case something happens, your thinking is clearer. I live in Australia, but I'm Polish myself. So there are things happening in Europe right now as well, and in different parts of the world. And lots of people are scared. So if you feel drawn to this topic, I welcome you to watch and listen to the session. If you haven't worked with me before, I highly recommend you listen to the introduction. If you know me, you've been with me before, you can go straight into the session. In the description, I will write down when does the session start. I hope it makes sense. Okay. All right. So for those who are new here on my YouTube, welcome. My name is Tatiana. I do intuitive healing. And my healing is a bit different from other intuitive healers. I have visions. So when we do sessions, it's never scripted. It's not like guided meditation. I have visions. We can call it live visions at the moment, but there is no time within our energy field. So it doesn't matter if you listen to it after or before or even many months after. There is no time. The time and space is infinite in energy field. So don't be afraid that it won't work if you listen to it later. It won't matter. So I have those visions that they came to me a while ago. You can read the whole story on my website, tatianaslezak.com. And we go deep to energy field, and on the energetical level, we clear those visions. So it means we change the energetical blueprint of what I see. And once we clear it on an energetical level, you may start feeling better on a physical level. And also, that's not the medical advice. Okay, so if you are ready, then let's start. If you could sit and relax, have a bit of water, something to drink, it helps energy to flow through your body. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. And again, breathe in and breathe out. I already feel throat chakra. Okay. There is lots of scream and fear in the throat chakra. Let's breathe into your throat chakra for a moment. Breathe in and breathe out. And again, breathe in and breathe out. And if you are ready to release, there's like scream, fear coming, not necessarily yours. I actually see generations of people behind you. So if you're ready, if you are ready to release it, say yes. Ooh. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Okay, and again, breathe in and oh, breathe out. Okay. There is also tension on your chest, like a brick. It's like you have a brick on your chest. It's really heavy, heavy fear here. Okay, so if you are ready to release it, take a deep breath in and breathe out. And again, breathe in and breathe out. As a collective, that works even better here, I feel. That was a good idea to do it as a collective. Oh, and we go to tummy. We go to your tummy. But I feel throat is still working. So go to your tummy and breathe in light because there's lots of dark energy in your tummy. So breathe in light and breathe out fear. And so breathe out the smoke, but you are like breathing in and breathing out through your tummy. Okay? So breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Oh. Just to clarify, when I yawn, I release energy. And again, breathe in to your tummy and breathe out. Okay, very good. There are more and more people coming to this session, and they are standing behind you, and they are ready to be released, but in a sense, they are ready to release their fear. So I see not everyone has it. Some people don't, but people who come from the areas that war happened before, actually it's most of the people. Somehow, it's like somehow we are all affected by it through some kind of war. So no, actually it looks like everyone has it. So everyone has people behind them with big fear. And I see here it's not always war. There are lots of fears in your ancestors, lots of fears and traumas they had to go through. It's very interesting because not everything is about war at this moment. It's about cutting you off from their fear because the energy field is changing now and you need different tools. You need bigger clarity of your mind. You need bigger clarity in your heart in order to be in this current reality and deal with energetical changes that are happening now. So you don't need the same tools, therefore you don't need their fear. It doesn't mean that you won't have fear at all. You will, but it will be more, it's a different fear. It's a fear that it's helping you to survive now in current times. So basically what we are doing here, we are releasing the old type of fear. What do I mean by that exactly? Your ancestors could have been scared of being hungry. Basically, most of the people now don't have this problem, quite the opposite sometimes. But because you have all layers, you have many layers of the same, of their fear plus your fears. It's like this big energetical soup. And there is no clarity there. You need to create new tools to deal with current situations. It's like you would have at home stick to defend yourself instead of better weapons, right? That like you would have stick to start the fire instead of matches or lighter. I hope it makes sense. So, and we needed more energy-wise as well. We need protection, energetical protection. So in order to make room, you can release them and their fear because it's not helping you anymore. So if you are ready to release this fear, to release the fear from your ancestors, their fear, please say yes. That's the big one coming. It's like I see a big wave coming. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Oh, it's good. And again, breathe in and breathe out. Okay. And I see now, these were people standing in the back, your ancestors. Basically, they are moving. But I see some kind of, not people, like energy in front of you saying, you are going to be okay. You are free. I'm giving you new tools right now. Those tools are in your heart. From now on, you will know what to do. Not only when it comes to war, but also to making decisions in your daily life. The field is clear. There is a new path in front of you. Every day, you may open a new door. There is a new blueprint coming up. New paradigm is waking up. New energetical paradigm for you. You don't need old tools anymore. Everything you need at this point is in you. You have bigger power than you can imagine. We are here. We are here to support you. We love you very much. You think you are alone, but you are not. You are connected to the field of information. Your field is clear. Your path to the field is clear. Just need to reach out. How to reach out? Bring light to your heart. Keep breathing. Eat good food. Move your body every day, but move your body with the intention of clearing and connection. This is new. You may be afraid. That's normal. But the universe is here to support you. And now take a deep breath in and breathe out. Okay, I didn't expect this last part, I must say. It came as a surprise. I never know what's going to happen during the session. Oh, I'm actually quite touched at this point. If you could stay in this energy for a while, just sit in it, be in it, that would be helpful. Thank you so much. Thank you for being in my space. Take care.